Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for joining us today. This is the BBQ Pro Shops Test Kitchen. We're Flavor Anonymous, Pitmaster Shane D, Chef Dylan, and today we're gonna do a riff on a fast food cult favorite, the McRib, but we're gonna do the Pitmaster version,
Sure.
right? So we've got some ground pork here. It's a spicy ground pork, and we're gonna just divide it up.
So it's like sausage style pork, right?
Yeah, sausage
Okay.
style pork. You know, we just did a spicy pork, but you know, you can use any kind of pork. If you want to use regular ground pork, you
Sure.
could. And what are we gonna season this up with today, Shane?
Well, I'm gonna grab them and I'm gonna start sprinkling while you're doing that, if you don't mind. This beautiful white label rub from Heavy Smoke has a phenomenal balance to it. I'm a real big fan of it. So really, it doesn't matter whether it's pork, chicken, whatever, it's gonna work great there. And then to kind of bring in that sweetness the McRib has, we got the honey chipotle from Heath Riles. It's fantastic, has a little bit of heat, but it's a nice warm, rolled off heat, and with just a little bit of that sweetness, those honey granules are fantastic. And then we're gonna finish it with what?
Well, then you gotta have your onion and pickle, and you gotta have that sauce. And for
Right.
that sauce today, we're using Deuce's Wild Competition Glaze.
Am I good to start seasoning?
Yeah,
All right.
yeah. Start seasoning those patties up, man.
So let's talk just for a second, Dylan, about the whole purpose of the test kitchen. I mean, honestly, anybody can, realistically, a lot of competition guys order from BBQ Pro Shop. Let's be honest, we're competition guys, we order from there. But this is about showing you how to cook stuff with these products that aren't the standard KCBS 4, if you will.
You can put any of these on there. You can sprinkle it. You can rub it on any pork butt, any chicken, any brisket, you know, any slab of ribs. We want to show people a little something different. So, you know, when you're at home in the backyard, if you're going to a tailgate, you know, just about anywhere, when you got some of these rubs in your pantry and you're not sure what to do with them,
Right.
you're looking for something a little different, this is a great opportunity to do that. And to the point, everybody, whether they admit it or not in public, has went through the McDonald's drive-thru and got the McRib. And then you hid in your car, your truck, so nobody would see you, and you scarfed it down and you drank your Dr. Pepper and you ate your fries. Well, this is a version you can be proud of. You don't have to hide in the corner of the parking lot where the lights burn out. You can eat this in all its glory out there where everybody can see you, and you can share it with your friends and family. So how are we gonna cook these?
So we're obviously gonna cook these on the grill, and we're gonna use cast iron so they don't fall through the grates. But I'm not really one to overcook these. I want some char on the outside, but I still want that pork flavor on the inside. So don't go nuts with these. These are
want
like a
them to be
smash
juicy,
burger.
too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you want the juiciness, right?
So we're gonna take them just right above the 165 that you need to for ground meat, but we're
Right.
not gonna take them up in the 200s like a lot of people do for pork.
Yeah.
All right, you wanna put these on?
Let's do it, dude. While Dylan's throwing these in the pan, we've got this grill set up in Santa Maria style, meaning the M1 has a rack underneath it where you're able to put the charcoal right there, right? That charcoal is like 2 inches from the bottom of that pan right now. So it allows that, you know, get wicked hot, right?
Yeah, it gets it right up there where we need it. And if it gets too hot, we can just adjust it down
Right,
with the
crank it
dial.
down. All right, so what do you give those, about 2 minutes? We're gonna check on them?
Yeah.
All right. We tempt our pork sliders. They're done. Let's grab them and build some.
All right.
What, beautiful burgers? They're not burgers,
Beautiful.
though. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful porkies.
Oh man, they puckered up. That's a chef move right there. Ooh. Sizzle, sizzle. Hey, I
gotta
tell you what we
love
can
that.
do. We move fast, we can put the onions in that.
Yeah, let's get those buns exposed.
Bun
Show me
stat.
your buns.
Bun stat.
All right, before we put these onions on,
You gonna drizzle?
we're drizzling. Every day I'm drizzling. Competition glaze, Deuce's Wild. Clings really nice. You can see the particulate in it. It's got a ton of herbs and flavors. It just goes so awesome with pork. And hit us with the onion.
Very scientifically placed.
Very. And you notice he got out the tweezers because he wanted to be really delicate and thoughtful about his onion placement.
I did. I've thought about this all night. I stayed at Holiday Inn Express, and look at that. It's like I planned it. All right, bun it.
This is called synchronized bunning for all you backyard barbecue cooks.
And then the synchronized.
So this is called a variable manual pressure application device,
All right.
otherwise known as Shane's hopefully clean hands.
No, they weren't. They weren't.
Fantastic. So we got a 6-pack of delicious,
They look
soon to
good.
be a 4-pack because I'm taking one. Are
I'm
we
with
going
you.
to split one?
Yeah, we'll probably still. Let's build it out nice so we can get a good picture of it, so you guys can really see what's going on, and let's eat one. All right, so we got to get a bite of these real quick. Small bite.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh man, that sausage, the kind of sausagey flavor, sweetness of that sauce. That's good.
Crunch of the pickle, crunch of the onion. This is what the McRib should have been. You guys are going to enjoy this one.
I
You get
agree.
the sweet, the heat, that glaze with the herbs. Pick up the pickle and the onion.
Yep.
It's fantastic.
You can get all this stuff where? BBQProShop.com. Check this recipe out, use it, try it, let us know what you think about it. Until next time,
We out.
see you later.
Thanks for joining us at the test kitchen for Barbecue Pro Shop. We hope you enjoyed what we've shown you today.
We know you like the products. Check them out at BBQProShop.com.